Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Like I'm telling you, say, African now, all that blood.
Viewers and subscribers, every time this artist that is known as Popcaan touch the road out there in the world, I should say, you see me? This artist make me feel proud to be a Jamaican. You see me? Yeah. And I mean, this video shows of the artist that is known as Popcaan. Need no introduction, but you know, just for who might not know, you see me? This artist is known as Popcaan, and according to what has been said about these videos, is that these videos put together shows of the artist in the place that is known as Africa, that continent known as Africa. Now I don't know the exact location, viewers and subscribers, but however, you know, these videos that are put together shows of, you know, how the people really and truly have such a love. In my point of view, you can see it is like, in my point of view, I think that the people have such a love, because really and truly the people you can see how they're really and truly excited to see the artist that is known as Popcaan. Alright? So big up and respect to Popcaan. You see me, I say Popcaan, big up yourself. You see what I'm saying to you. And you know, in my point of view, you represent Jamaica like an ambassador. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, you is like an ambassador to Jamaica. Alright? So big up and respect Popcaan. And right here, so when we leave it, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about something like this. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.